Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with BMO Harris Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by gathering all your financial information. This includes your income, expenses, debts, and savings. Next, take a moment to assess your financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve in the short term and long term. Visit the BMO Harris Bank website or open their mobile app. Log into your account or create one if you are a new user. Locate the budgeting tools available within the platform. Use the budgeting tool to input your income sources. Include all forms of income such as salary, bonuses, and any side jobs. Next, list your fixed expenses. This might include rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Now, add your variable expenses. Consider groceries, dining out, entertainment, and personal care. Review any debts you have, such as credit cards or loans. Input your minimum monthly payments for each debt. As you compile this information, check for any subscriptions or recurring charges. Once you have a complete overview of your financial situation, create a budget. Start by subtracting total expenses from total income. Aim to allocate funds to different categories based on your priorities. Consider using the 50/30/20 rule as a guideline. That means 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. Set aside an emergency fund if you haven't already. This fund should cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Regularly monitor your budget within the BMO Harris app. Adjust it as necessary based on your spending habits and financial goals. Consider setting up alerts for when you're nearing budget limits. Lastly, review your budget each month. Make changes to improve your financial health over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.